Hey, good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius here. It's the 31st of January, and we had massive follow through on yesterday's move, and we went ahead and we hit one of the resistance lines here for the for volatility that we follow. But having said that, yesterday we hit the black line. These are dynamic, so they're changing all the time depending on the look back period. And so tomorrow, I'm looking for. There's no way the way we've been going this week they're going to close this thing lower on a Friday. So you got to bring 27.33 into the into the play for tomorrow. So just keep an eye on that. Make it a little bit dip down here overnight, but they're gonna push that thing right to the wall. They got the shorts if there's any left scurrying, but they're in a hurry here to get this thing to boom central. But something to watch. And then the other thing too I want to show you is this is on GDX and GDXJ. The miners have been doing great. I'll show you in a second how well we've been doing with some of our trades of late. But now we're pushing out past these channels here, and this is looking back over 1/4, and so now we're breaking up over 10% over the moving average, and it's just starting to get a little bit of long in the tooth here, and we've been taking profit on our trades and just getting ready for a pullback. I think one is coming here. Let me show you GDX here in a sec. Same thing. So you can follow your stops up, but I think we're going to come back down and at least test the 65 moving average here on the daily before we get positioned to go higher. Some people think maybe even more, but I don't think so. The Fed's in the mode now. It's now it's just going to be loose city. And so I want to show you a couple other things too. Last day of the month we're running our specials, but this is what we've been doing since we've been trading. So Phil here has the trades he keeps track of. So for 2018 we both started recording this on Google Docs here since July, and he averaged 4.95% per trade winner, and we're in these trades for less than a week, okay? And if you see for 2019 we're averaging nearly 4%, and look, and the crypto market's been flat to down, so we're doing pretty well there in cryptos. The other thing I want to show you too, this is our new chat room, pretty cool. And one of the things I want to show you here is that we trade Nadex Forex. We also trade Nadex now, the new thing on futures that we'll be talking about and trying to formalize as well. But we're 135 and 8 on official binary calls now. And what that means is net of losses and commissions. You're looking at, for every contract you traded with us the last 18 months on this Forex thing that we put together, you're looking at $1,550 per contract. And so for every $500, you should be deploying a contract. So that's a 300% ROI, year over year. And this is just since we've been showing these people what we're doing here. It's been 18 months. We've done it a little bit longer than that, and so killer. And it's just a consistent thing because of our algorithms and our levels, and something you could check out as well. And then from my standpoint here on the trades with the stocks and ETFs is that our winning percentage is about 62%, which is really good. Okay, this is over 87 trades, and we average about 3% winners per trade, and averaging 158.49 if you annualize it, because we're also in these trades for a week or less for the most part. And some trades, like we just did one SYNL, it was a day trade, 3% in a day. But most of these trades here have just been a week. They're blue, they're still active, although this one will probably get taken out tomorrow. And we do very few lottos. Just every once in a while we'll put some lottos in there. But most of these are regular stocks, and that would be traded by the institutionals. And so you can just see we do very well. And this is counting everything open, closed, and then the losers are here. Or like GG was kind of flattish. And so, as you can see, we record every trade. Every trade gets put in a text message, so it gets memorialized, and then it goes on our admin sheet that goes out to people that can look on the chat room. So I encourage you to trade with us. What we charge is nothing compared to what you're going to get out of it. And like I said, specials are ending tonight. Really, really good prices. You can bundle all 3 services together. Get in the chat room, get the signals. In the chat room, people can ask questions all day long. The chat rooms are open 24/7. And during regular hours for stock ETFs, somebody's always there. And then cryptos and binaries, we're in there a lot because a lot of the stuff trades over the weekend and sometimes in the evening too. So I encourage you to check out what we do. Bob Trade Genius, tradelikeagenius.com. Check out the bundles and take advantage of them. I think you'll really be happy that you did. Have a great day. Bye-bye.